The Mi CC9 or Mi 9 Lite as it is known outside China. Launched last year is the first of a new series from Xiaomi in partnership with Meitu. If you recall, Meitu was a camera-centric brand that got some fans in China. Now, it is part of Xiaomi's big conglomerate and the Chinese giant is honoring Meitu's legacy. When Xiaomi released the Mi CC9 it came with Android 9 Pie straight out the box. Now, Xiaomi is finally rolling out a new MIUI 11 update that introduces Android 10 to the smartphone. Unfortunately, the update is still limited to China and includes February 2020 security patch. That means that users outside of China with the Mi 9 Lite will have to wait for a bit longer for this update. The update bears MIUI V11.0.1.0.QFCCNXM serial and weighs in at 2.3 GB in size. The update also includes some enhancements and bug fixes. The Mi CC9 still is a solid contender in the mid-range segment with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display with a 32MP selfie and waterdrop notch. Under the hood, the device carries a Snapdragon 710 SoC with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of expandable storage. On the back, there's a 4.8MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide cam, and a 2MP depth sensor. The handset has a root fingerprint, an infrared blaster at the top, and a USB Type-C port at the bottom. The Mi CC9 also includes NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, an audio jack, and FM radio. The smartphone draws power from a 4030 mAh battery with support for 18W fast charging.